In a previous tutorial you have already learned how to add images and videos to your project, but the correct positioning and size are also important. If you have already dragged your image or video into the sequence, select it by clicking on it in the sequence. A box with further settings appears on the right side. First, delete the parent element so that you can change your image or video in the sequence. You can adjust the size of your image or video using the dimension setting. First set % and then scale up or down the upper dimension with the arrow keys or by manual input. The lower field remains empty so that the proportions of the image remain the same. The position field allows you to position your image or video anywhere in the sequence. With the help of the arrows you first have the option to align your image in the project. Select % again. In the upper field, you can move your image or video to the left, down arrow, and right, up arrow. In the lower field you can move your image or video up, down arrow, and down, up arrow. Alternatively, you have the option to manually scale up or down and position your image or video in the project view. If your avatar is talking and gesturing, it is possible that, for example, his arms are shown below the inserted image. To change this, the Z-index must be used and set to -1. If you want your image or video to be displayed in your sequence only for a certain period of time, double-click on the timeline to the right of your image. Here you can increase or decrease the duration of the fade-in and move its start and end.
Hello.
Now you know how to add pictures, videos, and audio to a project and position them in specific locations or for a specific duration. If you want to learn more about the VuppetMaster, have a look at our other tutorials or drop me a line with your questions and suggestions.